This is a peaceful neighborhood.
Ah, you've returned. Good, good. Then we have...
Well, if we're all set, Granny, I'll get going now. Gotta...
Oh, you. All right, then. Go see...
I'm off then. Bye! Oh, yes, Traveler. Make sure you... I've been looking into the laws of other nations as well. If you should ever bump into any trouble with the law, come find me directly. Regulars get discounts, too.
Come now, child. Are you leaving or are you not? If you have no wish to leave...
I'm leaving! I'm leaving!
That child. Goodness knows where she learned to be so rambunctious. Indeed she is. Yanfei might be overly garrulous, but she is also the most... Liyue is not the same. All right, then. Let us speak of this no more.
Oh, Paimon's so excited! How is it made?
It is but a single teapot. There we go. This, so hold it firmly. If you were to drop, take these blueprints with you as well. You'll need them if you wish.
Wait a minute, Granny! How exactly are we supposed to use this?
Oh, you needn't worry about that. I've already...